it's recorded right now. At first, I want to ask: are there any questions with topics some people want to be covered right now? Else we just gonna trade and maybe go full margin a couple times, but don't know. Let's see. Questions? Any questions in the chat? No questions. No.
Wait a minute, maybe people post some questions.
Yeah.
Are you already start recording, Kev, or not?
Yeah, man, start recording.
Okay, great. Okay, no questions. Let's start, guys.
All right, great, guys. I already drew the zones. The guys who will be covering the webinars, same strategy, guys. Blue lines are daily resistance and support, as you can see right here. Green boxes are minor zones, 1 hour. Pink boxes are 4-hour zones. We will be covering the webinar just as always, like the market openings times and no trading Asia. And yeah, let's start. Let's see what we are seeing right now. We came from daily support. We were heavy bullish, as you can see, making high highs and high lows. After that, we consolidated for a lot of hours in this region, and then we moved downwards, as everybody can see. On the 15, oh wait, on the, okay, yes, exactly. This is the 4-hour, a lot of rejection to the upside. 1 hour, you see the same thing. We already broke, and we probably have a retest right now. Yes.
Yeah.
15 minutes, same thing. The 4 hours going to close in 15 minutes. So I'm thinking we're going to go down. We have news, so first going to look what kind of news we have. There. Yes. What kind of news we have? Let's see. Chase.
Yeah.
I'm hearing a toilet noise again with your.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Is it gone?
Yeah, great, man. All right, we have high USD news, no GPP, so we can take the trade. So guys, I'm thinking it's a sell.
Yep.
Chase, what you're thinking?
Yeah, probably gonna be a sell. Is it retesting on the 1 hour or 15 minute?
Yeah, I already retested. So.
Okay. Yeah, if it holds, it's gonna be a sell.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do. Some people messaged me that they didn't like the full margin thing because they didn't see the percentage growth. So we're gonna do 5%.
Kev, do you have the 5 minutes also or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. So big push, big pullback. So
It should go down because it's
we
it's
go
the
down.
first time back.
So,
Exactly.
10Gs. So Kev, what lot size you would do with 10K?
Yeah, 1 lot size.
All right, then 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we thinking about playing it. What would be your take for profit? 15 or 10 pips? Let's see.
10 pips.
Yeah, probably right there.
And probably 10 pip rest, something like that.
Yeah.
Exactly. So like this. I'm gonna play it. See what's gonna happen.
Just
What is the red EMA?
The red, the 50. So there's the retest. So I'm gonna go down.
yeah, it's gonna go down.
Yeah, no
If you could zoom in a little on the 15 minute just to kind of see the price action a little. Yeah, that's a rejection.
Yeah.
Almost to the 50.
Probably gonna go down. Let's see. You have there we push.
And if you go to the 4 hour, it's probably gonna leave that wick and fill it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Right there. So we don't have any news. The 1 hour looks great. 2 wicks, 2 retest. We pushed right here. Gonna fill it. Let's see, 15 minutes.
Except GG's crazy.
Yeah. There's the push.
We're going down.
Yeah, no problem. There's the first TP hit right there.
Okay, how many pips?
Let's see. Trades. Oh wait. 11.
11.
It's already
Amazing, amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Close the trade.
Oh, I would close half, and then
Yeah, of course I would close.
Okay, close half. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
and then break even.
Yeah, break.
And the rest can break even. Exactly.
Yes, exactly. Let's see what's gonna happen.
There we go.
Yeah, probably gonna push down. Let's see. Yeah, there we go.
Down.
Yep,
There we go.
there it is. That was the wick fill. See?
Yeah.
So,
exactly.
so when the wicks fill, you have to get out because there's always a retracement.
Exactly right here. So close off.
Yeah.
But there's first trade. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, beautiful. We filled this right here. There's a zone, as you can see.
Yeah, there's a price zone.
Right there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Everybody agrees with this zone? Yes, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Of course.
Okay, great. So we're gonna go to the 15 again. Zoom a bit out. Remove the lines. So we fill this wick to the left. This range is what? 48 pips. A question? Yeah, I agree as well. Great. Right. Probably gonna have a push again. I'm thinking.
Yeah, we're gonna have to push.
So we're gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, 15:05.
Yeah, but let's do the 5. Right here, 5. There's the retest. Nothing there.
Right there.
Yep.
I would take tails there.
Yeah.
Great. Gonna take cells right there. 5 again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play it. Probably stop loss. Oh wait, sorry guys. Probably stop loss gonna be thinking right here. Something like
Yeah.
this.
10, 15 pips and targets 15 pips.
Yeah, exactly.
Something like that.
Yeah.
1-to-1 with, you know.
Yeah, exactly. 2-7. So let's see.
I think
Your target's the EMA right there.
yeah, the green line, the green 200 EMA, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No phone.
Dynamic support.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna go right here. So let's play it.
There it goes.
One
There it
candle.
goes.
Oh.
I think you're up more than 10 pips there.
Yeah,
Target
Good
hit.
move.
target hit. Great.
Close it.
Yes, we're gonna close all.
Close all, yeah. Because we hit that 200 EMA, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's gonna retrace now.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah. So it's gonna retrace. Let's see what's gonna happen. Also nice to see what
We're
happens.
gonna have a pullback now.
Yeah, thinking as well.
Yeah, a little pullback and.
Oh.
Oh.
News.
So higher.
Target hit again.
Exactly. So market structure based. It's also quite simple because for the new people, lower low, lower high, lower low,
Yeah.
probably lower high right here on these EMA studs, and then we go down again. Next
Wait.
target looks like the 1 hour. Looks all right. Maybe a bit like this more, so it's better.
Yeah.
Great.
And it makes sense why price stalled there if you look left.
Yeah, exactly. Look at the 4 hour. Exactly. Look left. I'll remove this. Yeah, I told the guys before we start that based on price. Oh wait, this is also something Kev shared. People have to know that when we see this, we are still bullish because based on market structure, we did not have break. When we break this left lower high right here, higher low right here, then we are bearish again.
Yeah.
But this right here, as Kev always says, this is a lot of information right here into the upside. All these stalling for all these hours because every single candle shows that it's 4 hours of information and we have like almost 20. So it shows that we will not be going more up.
Yeah. Also look at all the lower highs.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been making this.
Yeah, we broke right here and then probably gonna have a push now, go to 15. Let's see. Right.
Consolidation.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're gonna push up a bit, I think, a little bit, and then down.
Asia, probably.
Yeah. This is all Asia, guys. You see,
Check this.
don't trade Asia because it's shit. I'm gonna do it a bit more faster. Right, there's the look at the time, guys. 7 o'clock, 1 hour before Frankfurt opens.
Frankfurt, yeah.
Exactly.
That's the push right there.
Yeah, so probably
going down.
Yes, exactly. We can take this trade because look, we broke out of the consolidation box.
But we have the 200 EMA below, so
Yeah.
Exactly. So
I'd be careful because there also might be a little retest right
yeah,
there.
probably it's gonna be a retest. So and it's not a strong break as you can see. Wait,
we can try it to show.
Yeah, exactly. Gonna do one cell, right like this. Gonna zoom a bit out. So let's see.
It's probably gonna tap the 14, all the lows to the consolidation box, and then go down with the momentum.
Let's see. There's the retest on the 1 hour. Do we have news? Let's see.
I don't hope so.
Maybe we have news. We have GPB news, so gonna go out because we have news at. Let's see. We have news 4 minutes from now. So
how many pips are we in lose?
Let's see. Great.
But you could use the crosshairs to measure it. I don't know if you knew that.
Yeah, you can also do that. Exactly. Bit easier.
You should be able to get your trade window though.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know why. Let's see.
No problem.
15 pips.
Yeah, we should go out, man.
Yeah.
This is tough lose.
So great.
But we say it, you know, because of the 200 EMA and the news.
Exactly.
And this is risk management, guys. This is also very important because if you hold, check what happened now.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Welcome in Newsland.
So as you can see, this confirms that we are still bullish because look, we did not break here.
Lower high, maybe.
Yeah, this is our news, so we cannot trade right now. Gonna wait for all this news. Yeah, now we can trade, I think. Let's see. Get news in USD, so probably can trade. Yes. Gonna go. There's the break again. Want a strong push, I think. There's good push. So let's see where we are at the 1 hour. We touched this weird.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's gonna pull back.
Yeah.
Let's see to the left. No traffic. So what you think, guys? Take a trade or wait? Oh.
I would wait.
Yeah, wait.
Exactly. We're gonna wait for the next zone.
Oh.
Stop loss.
Yeah, not taking it, so no problem.
Wait for a break for the next zone.
Yeah.
Right there. Slow down.
Right. Just 15 minutes. Another one.
Is there strong momentum on the higher time frames?
Yeah, thinking. Yep.
Yeah, strong, but we have Asia almost, I think, or not?
And a lot of GPY news, so still.
Yeah, so we skip this one also.
Yeah.
I think so.
Zone to zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly in the zone.
All this news. Still GPP news. Now we don't have the GPP news, I think. Let's see. Oh, but GPY news at 23.50. It's 9 o'clock, so we could take it straight because look at 15 minutes. Probably gonna push right now, I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's gonna push down.
Not a nice breakout. Wait for the next. Yeah, probably right. Let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, I think it's gonna fill this week.
Yeah, we're gonna push down.
1 hour also.
Finally.
Yeah. Taking one. Yeah, what did you want to say?
Oh, just take sales.
Yeah, exactly. Take 5 again. Let's see, 15 minutes.
Oh my god.
Thanks. Taking long. There we go.
Finally, that was 10 pips.
Yeah,
that was
80.
the target.
80.
Remember, you're trading GJ, so
Yeah.
I mean, 10 pips is quick.
Yeah.
What session are we in?
Yeah,
We're almost
you're close.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna do the TP, I think, because it's better.
Yeah, put a TP 10 pips over there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh wait, that's a buy. That's not what I want. Sell.
And if you can zoom in a little on the 15 minute, so we
Yeah.
can see the price action. There we go. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, great. Let's see if it's gonna work.
It's got a hit. It's right now. That zone is holding, and so is that last lower low.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, it looks
It's
good.
gonna go down.
30 minutes.
Yeah, it's just taking a while. Should. Oh, there we go.
Here's your TP.
Yes, great. All right. It's right near at another zone, I think. Look left, 4 hour. 4 hours still good. A lot of news again, so gonna skip all the news. Let's see on news. Yeah, also a lot of questions.
It's a mental stop.
Green zones are for 1 hour. Yeah, green zones are for 1 hour. Yeah, exactly. Gonna. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that was a nice break again.
Yeah. So, probably we could have taken this, but should go
No
back.
problem, no problem.
No problem. Great. Go 15 minutes. This is right here.
Oh, that was a nice little.
Yeah, probably can take. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the break.
Yeah, wait for the break.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there it is. Sell.
Look, 1 hour looks good.
Sells all the way.
Yeah.
Full margin sells.
Full margin, low in account.
Yeah.
Let's see if we have traffic. No,
No
right,
traffic, empty space.
right there, maybe, and there, but that's way
He'll
down.
be out.
More than a month ago.
Yeah. Minute 5 looks great also. Minute 30 looks great. Minute 50. Right, pick it out. Great.
Yeah. I think you could change for 15 pips on GJ.
15.
Yeah, maybe 20 also.
She freaking moves like a bat out of hell.
Do 15. 15 is
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I use 15 and it always gets hit.
Yeah.
So we do 15-15. So everybody.
Yeah. Do that.
Okay, great.
The entries have to be on point.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
that's a tight
Yeah.
stop for GJ.
Yeah, true. So that's why I don't use
Yeah,
like
I usually don't take 5 minutes.
I don't use like fixed stops. I would put my stop mentally right here, to be honest. Yeah, that's just me.
Yeah.
So this is a break already. Go to the 1 hour. Look left. Maybe we have some zones. Chat. Yeah. Also look at candle close to make decision. Great. Yeah. I'll go a bit left.
That's a loud keyboard.
Yeah. Don't know.
Sorry.
All right. Probably have some zones right here between. There's the one right there.
It's a nice one.
Yeah. I think that's the only one, man, to be honest.
Yeah.
Track it on the... Wow. Yeah. This one. So, this one right here also. Yeah, we could have hold, man, for sure. We could have hold, but no problem. Probably it hits. Yeah, that's almost zone to zone. So right. Next trade. So we hit zone to zone.
Will a 1 hour zone be regarded as a minor zone?
Yeah, exactly. Who's talking?
It's Kyle.
Yeah, wait for the break, Kev.
Yeah, no problem. I have meet for the rest, so no problem. There's a retest, so probably you can take this one. Probably could take this one. This one right here.
I would take that.
Yeah.
It's easy, 15 pips, but you might get stopped out because it's
Yeah,
GG.
because yeah, exactly. Gonna look.
It's a lower high too.
Yeah, exactly. No, no, you're gonna push. No problem.
It should be good, especially when there's a lower high out of zone.
There's a problem.
Oh.
I told you.
Stupid trade. Yeah. Maybe because of the time. Yeah.
Yeah, that too. But like I said, with GG, it's
Oh my god.
Yeah.
you gotta have good entries.
Yeah, for sure. That's why I use mental stop, man, with DJ, to be honest. Still nothing there. No.
I know, you see. So it took forever.
Yeah. Great. No news. Or do we have news? Nope. Crash break. Go on the break. Probably this stop is too tight, man. I'm thinking, to be honest, but we're gonna see.
It's doable, but you gotta be on point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it means you gotta go down to the 5 minute and enter on the 5 minute.
Yeah. Thinking. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I do 5 minute for GJ and it works best.
You see, look.
Too late.
See that? See, now it's gonna go down.
Yeah. That's the problem with fixed stops, you know. You see the difference, the fucking difference.
Finally, you go down.
Yeah. Look how it just hit, but nah, look at this, man.
What did you set the spread at? 1 pip?
Yeah. You see,
Oh,
like,
that's weird.
yeah, but this is like the stupid. This is exactly the reason why I don't use a fixed stop loss. This.
Yeah, but the entry was too late, bro. Right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let's see.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you're gonna use a fixed stop, your entries have to be on point.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Probably
exactly.
what's best to put a pending right here and then
zoom it out, make it a little bit bigger, or no, zoom in. Yeah, could be an entry. Yeah.
Probably if we entered right here, there was no problem. You see now the stop loss is where I wanted.
There was no problem.
There was no problem right there. Stupid trade, Joe. You see? That would be easy trade. This is exactly the reason why I don't use a fixed stop, but no problem.
Yeah, the entries have to be on point with GJ.
Yeah,
important.
yeah, yeah, exactly. But if that's why, if you know that you're not experienced enough to do like a fixed stop loss, then it's better to use like a widener stop loss if you know that your entries are not always great.
Yeah, but I recommend always to focus on USD GPI first.
Yeah, exactly.
A starter, you know.
Yeah, exactly. No news. I got 15. Nice push. Probably retest. Yeah.
Yep.
So I took the retest because look, we made this and this to explain it to the group. We push down. Then usually, if you go to the 5 minute, we have a breather, and on the 5 minute, I was thinking that we would hit this EMA. So if we respect the EMA, also if you look at the candles, look, we had
morning star, evening star.
Exactly. We had like bearish momentum, so we formed lower low. Then we went up, and then you see like the bullish power diminishes because the candles grow smaller. We end with the doji and the morning star exactly, and then we can enter and no
and
problem.
Show the 4 hour.
Yes, the 4 hour. Zoom a bit.
Yeah, you can see it. Momentum is downside. It's a strong bearish candles. You know, we have a lot of information that we are bearish now.
Yeah, and
it's making it's making the lower highs, lower lows too, even on the 4 hour.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So not a problem. Look, if you were careful, you would have hold this trade right here. Stupid. 200 pips. Easy. So let's take so. There. So let's see what's gonna happen. So not taking this trade right here because it's too less room. Questions in the chat. GJ always a lot of wicks and fast, but always working with minute 5 to have a good entry, only for additional confirmation. Yep, great. Okay.
So guys, my question is where would we put our mental stop loss on that previous trade?
Sayam, why you keep unmuting yourself? Yeah, you can use the chat to ask the questions, because if everybody would unmute themselves all the time, then the quality of the webinar will be like very bad for the rest of the group. Just ask the questions in the chat. Thank you. All right, to talk about your question. As you see on the minute 5, we're making lower lows and lower highs. So initially, when you want to enter on the breakout, or you want to enter on a lower high. We entered right here on the breakout. So this is the lower high right here. So initially, my stop loss, my personal stop loss, will be above this candle right here and above this wick. So probably right there. But that's just my personal preference. I don't know about Chase opinion or Arturo's opinion.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, that's also in the books, in the candlestick book.
Yeah. And Chase, what's your opinion?
I always use a fixed one, but yeah, that would work perfectly.
Yeah, but as I told you, like with the fixed one, you have the problem that your entry has to be always on point, you know?
Yeah, that's why I hound the 5 minute for the retest.
Yeah, I understand. So we're gonna use the 5 minute as well for the retest right now, so maybe better.
But yeah, having the stop above the last lower high, that's perfect. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. All right, we pushing down. Probably we're not gonna take this trade because look at the time, so I'm gonna do a couple 4 hours ahead. Because this just ranging. Yeah, no trade. Great. There was, but stop loss would have been hit, I think. But probably it's because of the zone.
It's probably doing a retest.
Look right there. Big 4 hour zone. To the left. Questions? London breakout, exactly, Thiago.
Yeah, it was because of the zone, right? That we pushing up again.
Yeah, strong 4 hour zone right here.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody.
It's right at the daily too.
Yeah, exactly. Let's look at the daily, to be honest. Oh, yeah, looks great. Look, also yeah, probably forgot a line, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's a daily, exactly. That's the reason.
And price react on it right now.
Yeah. So
it's probably gonna, since it's at the day. I've noticed that daily price usually stalls a really long time before it decides where it's going.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it's doing.
So I'm gonna track the range a bit.
Wow, we're in 2014, 15.
Yeah.
And same stuff happens all the time.
What's this? No problem. Don't know what happened, but we'll see. There, so there's exactly the reaction, as everybody thought. 15. Yeah. Probably we're still gonna wait. No, you should wait.
Oh, there it is.
15 minutes. There's the great one. So entering, thinking it's a strong break. Probably.
Yeah, enter.
Yeah, see if it holds first.
There 5 minutes.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna retest right now.
Yeah, let's see.
There it is, maybe.
Yeah, the retest.
2 shells.
There we go.
Oh.
Take profit, man.
Yeah.
Too late.
Oh.
Look at this stupid shit, man. Look this, man.
Shit.
You had 14 pips twice.
Yeah, 14 pips, man, and that is the shit. Sometimes with DJ.
That's the reason why I always go out per candle, you know. I could go out now, no problem. Stupid candle. Maybe because there's a zone right there. I don't know for sure. Let's see. Because it's a bit too big of a range, maybe. No traffic. Maybe right here.
Yeah, no, it stalls a lot at 4 hour and daily, and it just broke daily, so it's probably gonna have a lot of indecision.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, that was full margin sales if it broke the daily.
Shit. Right here. Full margin sales. Let's try. Let's see.
Only on simulator though.
Yeah.
You guys
yeah.
are crazy, man.
Yeah,
If that 14 holds, I'd do another one.
yeah, me too. Probably gonna do a sell. Let's see what happens. Yeah, exactly.
There we go. Oh,
Boom.
yeah. That was beautiful.
Perfect.
Right there, news. Let's see, 15 minutes. I guess EMA's 14, 15. Yeah, exactly. Those are the EMA's 14, 15, and 200. Created a lower high, a nice lower high right here. So probably gonna take a bit more shells. Let's see. Yep.
Yeah.
You see this grade I just take on market structure right here, because we're making a lower high at the zone, so probably gonna push more. This is first TP, and already it's gonna be hit because it's the first resistance, but probably it's gonna push more down. But yeah, we're just aiming for 10 pips today.
Will you look at 1 hour and 4 hour real quick?
Yeah, of course, no problem. Let's see.
At these strong levels, ask is usually like every time frame retest before it actually goes and fully breaks. I mean, it's already broken, but usually every time frame will do a retest.
Yeah, exactly.
What does 30-minute look like?
Let's see. I'm gonna zoom a bit in.
You have your charts all zoomed out.
Yeah, always. I don't need like the big. I do it zoom out like to have the bigger picture, and like on my phone I can see the candles properly, so it's no problem for me. Minute 5. Take this out. So, you see how it makes sense based on market structure? Lower high, and then we push more down probably. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
And the lower high being a retest at the zone 2 is perfect.
Exactly. And those are the best. Like I honestly don't use the lower highs a lot. I just trade them like in combination with the retest at the zone. Then they're the best.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, guys, and we are still bearish, and we sell in the seller's market, we buy in the buyer's market.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah.
Simple.
Let's speed it a bit up.
So he's probably doing the 1 hour or the 4 hour retest right now.
Yeah, probably there's a zone right here. Maybe I missed it because there's a lot of indecision. That's gonna look. 4 hour.
Hey Kevin, you know what I just noticed?
What?
Look at this. Look at the spread.
It spreads 1.6 pips exactly.
It's really big.
Yeah.
So
Maybe that's the reason why.
why your TPs aren't hitting?
Yeah, exactly. That's the reason I think. I forgot to adjust it. Stupid. No problem. Normally it's so they would have been hit. So no, it's just consolidating. I think. Yeah, there's the push. Look, even you could take this trade because of a minor zone right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not gonna take it because I saw a lot of people. I saw a lot of people commentating on YouTube that we only take trades after the trade's already been formed. So we're gonna silence them now because
It's in the middle of a range too. I would never do that.
yeah, exactly. But some trades you can just take on market structure, and some trades you can take on breakouts. You know, our sort of types of trades. But yeah, we're gonna wait. Gonna do a bit fast forward because.
Is the 4 hour doing a retest?
Yeah, probably. Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of traffic also. Look left. You see?
Oh yeah.
Probably look.
It's a lot.
Got questions? What low? My GJ spread is 5 pips. Yes, that's the plum of USA. Time on the sim. What time is it set on? GMT. Alright. Next one. A lot of news, so I think we're gonna search for buys now, maybe, guys. To be honest, a lot of rejection on the 4 hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So maybe we're gonna do buys now. I think. Let's see.
On a higher low.
Yeah, we're still overly bearish. So
Wait for a break to the upside of that green zone, please.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If we break to the upside, we also break this level right here.
Exactly.
Gonna wait for the buys. Let's see.
Choice is yours, of course, bro. You know.
Yeah, no problem. Because this could also be like the lower high. So
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait what's happening. Yeah, you see, probably it's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're in the middle of a zone, so I'm not gonna enter. Yeah, look, there we go.
Is that 50 pips probably?
Yeah, probably Wickfill. Look, 1 hour, we broke all this consolidation, then we pushed. So this is also nice to see. You can use it on a high time frame, you know. You see?
Yeah.
Makes sense. So we can take this breakout right here, 15 minutes. Probably we would have been in already, so gonna do it. Yeah. Maybe stop loss gets hit. Let's see. No problem. Oh wait, we didn't do 5. Gonna do 5 because everybody wants to be so great. So we already did. Let's see. You can see. Don't know. All right, we took a straight. 30 minutes looks great. Wick fills all the way, momentum. 1 hour, probably gonna.
Yep.
What's the time? Probably Asia, so 4 hours.
Oh my god.
Bit back. Right here. It's 15. Oh,
Yeah. This is the beauty, guys. The beauty to trading with momentum.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. We are up 60% already.
Yeah, with risking 5% because.
Yeah, and we going with the trend. We are fine, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
No counter trend trades, safe trading.
Don't try and be a hero.
Exactly. No counter trending for me. I don't like it, you know.
Maybe stop loss gonna get hit because it's a bit tight. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Oh wait, we didn't do 5%, so we're gonna do 5 again because everybody wants 5. Bit more. Great.
How many positions are you taking now?
5 or 6 with one lot. So, but I gotta change the lot now because of the balance.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, great. So we're gonna do it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, great. Now it's every single time we should change it, to be honest. But yeah, didn't do this all the single time. All right, chat. As always said, find the highs when playing with the French one. Anyone know a good breaker in the USA other than Traders Way? Don't know. The daily has had a bearish wick. I think it just went to go up for a little bit. Down. Good point. But on the daily, you can see, even on the daily, you can see we made a lower high, right? So we could have just entered like a swing trade on the daily from zone to zone. I think also sometimes I'm thinking why we don't do that kind of stuff, you know, with swing trading. But yeah, just my opinion. Great. So we're in the next zone. We broke the next one already. So gonna be another sell, I think. Because we break strong now. Let's see. Bit too tight. Probably retest. Yep.
Yeah.
Back. Hey, this is missing. Exactly, man.
It's good. It's alright.
Just a double bottom.
Yeah, probably gonna hit. Yep, no problem. Double bottom. Easy. This is all because of the stop and the spread, man. They both would have hit already. But no hard
So
feelings.
even when you fix it to 1 pip, when you start up the simulator, it still fluctuates on its own.
Yeah.
It should be staying at 1 if you set it at that.
Yeah, exactly. But
Because look at the spread. It's 2 pips now.
Yeah, it keeps going up to 3,
4
4.
pips.
Oh.
Like the spread on IC markets is never that big.
Yeah, exactly.
Only like at the end of the day on the open.
Yeah, true.
Look at that big rejection.
Yeah, probably because all of the news. This is 4-hour time frame. Gonna go down, easy trades.
Yes. I was gonna say zoom into the 15-minute for entry, but
Yeah.
it was too late.
Yeah. Right there, we should have entered, no problem. Also, we have a lot of news, so probably we couldn't even trade because look. So that's why I didn't zoom in, because we have too much news, I think. Yeah, this is all news because these candles make no sense. This candle makes sense. Quick sale, guys.
Go to the 15-minute real quick. Okay. It's just consolidating.
Yeah, look at the time. So No buys taken. Probably gonna go up.
If it breaks those last highs and that green zone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Probably we are in a new week, so I have to adjust my zones. I'm gonna do that first. Yeah, you have to adjust it. I can already see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna delete all so we can go again because it's a new week. This is still valid. Gonna delete. So right here. Look at the daily real quick. Right, there's a daily for these ones. Right, let's see how it goes now. Probably just a breakout right here. Yep. Gonna take this one, guys.
Let's see that that is 1 hour. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right. So then
yeah.
one,
Take five orders.
1, 2, 5. Oh,
Perfect.
you see how tight the stop is.
Yeah.
I don't like this, man. Great.
Yeah.
All right. Take shells again, I think. Let's see. Right here. There's news. No. Maybe we get stopped out because of this stupid stop again.
Check the 5 minute.
Nah, maybe right.
No, we go down. We go down.
Yeah, that's the retest probably.
Yeah.
Take one sell or
No. Oh my.
You
let me
see,
go down.
yeah. This is the stupid.
Stop loss.
Yeah, this is the stupid thing about this stupid stop loss.
Sometimes you have to let the trade breathe, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
In the long term, it looks like it's making higher lows, so I wouldn't even take a trade unless we broke one of the upper zones or that bottom green one right there, because I can't tell right now personally.
Yeah, makes sense. This is exactly the reason why I use a mentor stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be honest. Exactly this reason. Wick fail. You see how easy wick fail.
Yeah, it's probably gonna break that to down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like here's a retest for the hour and
Rejecting it.
No, there we go.
Right there.
Yeah.
Go to the 5 minute.
yeah, I checked the 5 for the entry this time for the retest.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, gotta copy the zone. Yeah, we should already taken it, I think. So one candle back.
I know that
Right here, I think.
that wick there showed that it may have been starting the retest.
Yeah, so probably we should take it right here. Yeah, a minute 15 is also close, so let's do it. Maybe we get stopped out, maybe not. Yeah, you see these wicks, man. Look at it. Shit. Why don't we wait for the retest on the 5? Yeah, we can wait on the retest on the 5. Let me go back. So we want the retest on the 5. Alright, gonna do. Chase,
Yeah.
you got your computer set up?
Do what? What do you mean?
Do you have your laptop with you?
Yeah, I'm on it right now.
I'm gonna give you the host so you can do. We're gonna do the sim session on yours, so you can do the entries.
Okay, mine my simulator is not set up, but I can draw everything out real quick.
Yeah, no problem. So we can change perspective, because to be honest, I don't like trading with a fixed stop.
Yeah.
I just use the mentor stop. So maybe that's the reason why I don't like this.
Um, Do you want me to do it, or Art can, since I did last week? It's up to you though. I don't really mind.
Yeah, you can do it. No problem.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's the thing. If it's not your, like, my way of trading is a bit different. So I use a stopper like Mento. That's the difference. So.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give you the host. I made you host, so give me the host back if you're finished. You can share. All right, gonna be back in 5 minutes. I have to go to the toilet. Speak to you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's 1 pip.
What?
10 is 1 pip, I think.
You sure?
Yeah. And change your leverage. Did you do just like a random date?
Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday, all day yesterday, I was trying to use the simulator, and like every time I try and re-download all the data, it wasn't downloading to begin with, and every time I try and download it, it'd stop at like 10 or 15%. So I'm hoping from that 10 or 15 I stopped it at yesterday, I have enough to use it today. So I don't know what was going on with it, and I asked Elise about it. 'Cause, that's where I got the key from, and she said that hers is working okay. So I don't really know what's happening, but I should have enough.
Interesting.
Yo, guys, you know, yeah, if you select all the objects, you can copy them over rather than doing the templates.
Yeah. No. Thank you.
What the hell was that?
Children.
It wasn't me. Yo, Chase.
Yeah.
Yo, do you know the shape? Yeah, you know the rectangle shape. You can put that on your, you know where the lines are, where your trend line is. You can put the rectangle shape there as well, so you don't have to keep going on the insert. Do you know what I mean?
What do you mean?
So if you go
you can clone it.
No. You know where because you go into the menu. Well, you can put the rectangle, you know where your trend line and that thing is, and the Fibonacci and all that on the toolbar. You can put your rectangle on there.
All right, here, right?
Yeah, you can put your rectangle there, so you don't have to keep going back and forward, back and forward.
Oh, I didn't know that. What do you drag it?
If you right click, go to view. Toolbars, customize, and then you should be able to go to, is it symbols maybe?
Symbols is the pairs.
Well, you can put the shape by using this window. I've seen someone do it before. I just can't remember how to do it exactly. Oh, right click on the toolbar. Customize, there you go. Yeah, then go to the bottom on the left one. Yeah, move that over.
There we go.
So
It's right there. Oh, cool. Thank you.
yeah, no worries. And also, you know when you draw your zones, right click and select all the objects. Click the clone button and it puts on all the.
Who's on reading?
James, in the meantime, tell us a story about your 5 girlfriends.
No, man.
Dude, who keeps doing that?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna tell Kev we can't load up this webinar because somebody is making sex noises.
Jesus Christ.
Next time we're gonna do. Yeah, wait.
Might be Sahil. Sahil might be back.
I think Kev is gone.
I haven't heard him in a minute.
Yeah, it's something to do. Good zones.
Thank you.
Zones are great ones.
Appreciate it.
I already see a buy.
Yeah.
Straight buy. So you draw them on the 1 hour and the 4 hour chase.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, my more major ones are the 4 hour, and then I'll do 1 hour and sometimes 15-minute if they show.
Yeah, same.
Right. Yeah, that's just like the ones I use for 15-minute or more of if I'm in a trade that I'm going to exit before it gets to that level. I don't trade breakouts of 15-minute because they're not reliable.
Exactly. I think you have everything. Yeah, one there. Exactly.
What's that?
15. So how does the 1 hour look like?
This is 1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah, we can already take buys.
1 hour, and then the 4 hour was strong.
Yeah, we can.
Broke daily. Well, I'm gonna save this, put it to 15-minute. We'll be ready.
Yeah, you have so much already. You have to draw it. Yeah, you just got me wrong.
That's good.
Probably news, yeah. No. So you guys take the retest on GJ on the 5 minute.
Huh?
You and Arturo take the retest on the 5 minute with GJ breakouts.
Yeah, usually.
Oh, I always enter on the 15-minute close, so maybe that's the reason why I always have a bit of drawdown.
No,
I don't know.
the best trade is actually you wait for the 15-minute close, but after you get a 15-minute close, there's usually a little pullback, and that's where I enter.
That's great. I'm too lazy to wait for the pullback, so I'm just entering.
How many pips do you guys usually aim for on GJ? Like, is it a minimum of 10 or?
Yeah, 10.
10 pips minimum.
Yep.
Yeah, 10 is usually easy.
No problem. Yeah.
You close your eyes and you already have 10 pips, man.
Shit. Okay, I'm loading this one. I'll be ready to go. Sorry.
No problem.
Full margin buys right now.
Man, this is all over the place right now.
Yeah, true.
Oh my god. Forgot about that. makes me want to sell that, but I'm not going to do it.
Dang, you're taking your buys already.
I know, but I'm trying to get out of where there is news. That's all. Oh my god.
Wow.
Yeah.
Someone needs to like watch the mics to see who's talking when that happens.
Exactly.
New member probably.
We'll see that they're probably unmute themselves and then mute themselves right back.
Exactly.
I don't worry about it. Right now I'm gonna wait for it to probably break here, or if I go for sells, it's gonna be once it comes back down in this area. Probably gonna break. I think.
You could have already entered on the first 15-minute candle, but no, baby.
Where?
No. The setup was already done. Sorry. High and low. We're at a zone, so. Yep, there's the high and low. Gonna break.
Yeah, hopefully it makes another high low right here.
Great. Gonna enter right. So we're gonna push. Not thinking we have another high low. Looks great.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Strong.
Yeah. We should have entered probably. I don't know for sure. I really don't like fixed stops, man.
Yeah. Well, I just. I mean, on the simulator, I mean, I don't have to use it, I guess. I just like practicing how it would have been live.
Yeah.
And I'll always use a fixed one live, definitely. Especially with GJ, like you said, you can look away, look back, and you already got your 10 pips. The same thing could happen with like 15, 20, or even more if you don't have a stop loss set. I'm scared of that.
Yeah, that's true. Probably have a retest right now. Good one. Yep, there we go. Come on.
15 minutes. I think that's the 15-minute retest, possibly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the 15 minute retest.
Oh, this is so close.
Take buys. Yeah. There's the retest. This is the fucking thing, man.
I know.
That's why I really don't like fixed stuff, man. See? Take 5 buys. What's your lot? You have to take 5. Because 5%. Great.
This should be good.
Yeah, this should be good. Easy.
Yeah, there we go.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah. Especially the 5. Even though it went back down into the zone, it left that wick at the 14 EMA, and then closed all the way up there, and the new one opened up with no wick to the downside above the 14, basically almost above the zone, and that's when it shot up. And I knew that was going to happen anyways, even with a tight stop, maybe getting stopped out. Look at this 4-hour candle.
Yeah, it's true.
That's huge. That's probably 140 pips
already. So.
Yeah, I can't. I doubt it'll break this unless we have news, because that's a far away in a short amount of time. It's probably going to get exhausted and then either breathe a little bit and then go. It'll either come back. Let's see, maybe come back, pause in this area, and if this holds above all of this resistance and stays support, then it'll probably shoot back up. But I don't expect it to go much further right now after going 140 pips in 4 hours.
Yeah, true. Bit too much. Market has to breathe.
Yeah. Can't see. I could have gone again.
Oh, it did go higher. Sick.
Yeah, that's surprising. Yeah. Well, who's that so far? 170 though. I'll be amazed if it breaks this game and 4 hours. It's a 4 hour zone. Tap perfect. If it makes a lower high or a higher low right there, then it's probably gonna break.
Yeah, it makes a higher high and then.
But if it falls past here,
yeah, then we
it'll
don't.
probably come back a little more down.
Yeah, true. Strong reaction. Is that daily resistance right there? The red line.
Yeah, all the horizontal lines are the daily support and resistance.
Great. So probably just because. Yeah, exactly. Look left. A lot of traffic.
Yeah.
True. Let's see. Probably gonna make a higher low right now, I think.
Yeah.
Let's see. The time is over right.
Oh.
Yeah, nice one.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Yeah, that was the higher low at the zone. That's why I took that, and it held the 14.
Yeah, exactly.
And didn't fall beneath this higher high right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Took a minute though.
Yeah, true.
Lower high.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock, so probably no setups anymore.
Star. The daily. I mean, probably even push down.
Yeah, it's
Already are.
higher low. But nah, too late. Time is not right.
Yeah, and that last higher low right there came below that, and it didn't. After that higher low right here, it didn't make a higher high than right here.
Yeah, so it's not valid.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
No, I wouldn't do it as well.
Let's stop out now.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh. Since that daily, he's probably gonna stay doing this for a while in this area, consolidating. Probably gonna make lower highs now. There we go. Yeah, I did that because the rejection at the zone up where the daily is too, and it made a lower high.
Yeah.
And the momentum has been other than yeah, it rejected on the 1 hour. Somewhat even. Rejection. Yes, twice it rejected.
Oh, it's my computer. So still range. Oh, that was a nice push. Now it's gonna. There's a 1 hour zone right there. I think. If you break it, you can take back. You see
Where?
on top of the wick. Right there. Right there.
Oh yeah.
So probably if you break this market structure to the left, you can take buys, I think.
Yeah, up here, above the zone.
Yeah, exactly. You're pushing, so I think we're gonna go
If this candle closes bullish,
buy.
take buys.
Exactly. That's what I want.
Yeah, really. Yeah.
Yeah.
Take buys.
Take buys. Take buys.
Are you have spread or not? 1 pip. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Maybe. Yeah.
There we go.
Here we go.
Yeah. You know why? Because that's a 1 hour zone in a 4 hour zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Also pay attention to what happened there. Go back to the 15-minute. That's a continuation pattern. Right there. The bull candle, the bear candle, and then the bull candle.
Yeah. And that bear didn't go. It didn't break this. It's almost, yeah, the 1 hour, right here, like the 1 hour you're talking about, or that was right there?
Well, that's actually a FTR, failure to return.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So.
I think I'm going to do that. It's hitting the daily on the 4 hour. That's in the daily in the 200. I want to see it. Yeah, I'm gonna for buys. I want to see it break strong and hold.
Yeah.
Go back to the 5-minute.
Okay. Yeah, probably gonna make a higher low on top of those wicks.
First. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. Right where that doji is on the bottom, look for price to go there. For a higher low, possibly.
Yeah, there. Push up. resistance becomes support. You see, look left. The wick on the left side has become support.
Yeah.
On the left.
But don't take buys yet though. But just
Yeah, right here. But don't take buys yet but this shows that if this is respected, it's an indication that we can go up more.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I meant.
Just sit the retest and.
Somebody asked me 1 hour zone and a 4 hour zone means both zones are identical. No, Tiago, like a 4 hour zone done on the wick of the 4 hour candle, but in the 4 hour candle itself, there can be like multiple 1 hour zones. So that's the reason why you can have 1 hour zone in a 4 hour zone. And like as you saw on the 1 hour, we closed.
Hold on, go to the 5 minute.
You look left. We closed above the wick of the 1 hour. So that's
15 minute
price,
please.
Price.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean.
Play it.
It's Friday too. I wouldn't be doing Friday. Yeah, I really don't like the.
Okay. Hold on. Pause it. Go to the 5 minute. You missed it.
What?
But anyways, there was a little potential buy right there. And you see how it popped up for like probably 10 pips. What I was saying is I'm waiting for price to get to that doji on the left. Yeah, that one. Go up.
What?
Yeah, for that, right? If you see the doji right there, it made a base.
Yeah.
So I was waiting for price to tap into that base and retrace, so you could buy there.
Like dailies for resistance. At these daily levels, it always stalls so much. See, like I was saying, every time frame does a retest. That's why it takes so long.
Chase, wait for 1 second. Somebody asked the question and I answered it, but they couldn't hear it because we were still trading. So I'm going to answer it first and then we can go further.
Okay.
What I mean, Reggie, with the 1 hour zone and a 4 hour zone, if you draw your 4 hour zones, you draw them from the 4 hour body until the top of the 4 hour wick. But that's 4 hours of price information. So it could be possible that in between this 4 hour zone, because it's a large zone, there could also be a 1 hour zone in between. As you can see on the chart right now, the two red lines, this shows that there's a 1 hour zone. And because we closed above it, that's the reason why we could take a buy right there. That's the reason. Do you understand the explanation? So you can go forward, please.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting.
Yeah, no problem. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna do buys probably because all the way to the 4 hour it did its retest now.
Yeah,
it's holding daily.
Yeah, look, a breakout on the 15. Good trade.
Yeah, and yeah, 4 hour did its retest. And,
yeah, exactly.
Still another higher low on the 1 hour. I think it'll be good.
Yeah, think we're gonna push, man. There's no doubt.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more of a retest. I'm gonna watch for it, and if it does retest, then I'm gonna put a few more buys in.
Yeah, exactly. Good one.
No retest at all.
No, that's the reason why I always enter on the 15-minute close, because sometimes there's no retest. So that's the reason why I always enter on the 15-minute close. Then I have a bit of more drawdown, but then I'm sure I don't miss the trade itself.
Yeah.
If you go to the 5 minute, that was a retest though.
Yeah, that wick right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I usually wait for. I wait for a little pullback and then I enter.
You just wait for the wick. You don't wait for the candle to close.
Right there. No, like right there, exactly.
Now I understand. Yeah, then it makes sense, exactly.
Because then you get a better entry.
Yeah, true.
But then if it doesn't do that, well, most of the time it does that anyways.
Yeah, that's true.
Because that's the retest.
Yeah, that's why I watched the 5 minute on GJ too, because like if you're waiting for that small, probably like 30-second 1 minute retest on the 15 minute, you would have lost. You wouldn't have even been able to take this trade. It is a good entry too. That's why I watched the 5 minute, because that is a split second of a retest.
Boom.
Boom, and then came back down. Look at that.
Oh, kangaroo tail.
Yeah. Nah, I think it was. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if this 4 hour closes with a wick, and then I'm gonna go for one of our 2 hours wick films.
This guy.
No, I'm kidding.
Well, see, the thing is, momentum is up.
Yeah.
So it could fill that upper wick, but who knows, you know?
Great, Elise. 5 minutes retest on EJ, and EJ works great too. Thanks for sharing, Elise. I'm gonna add that as well.
See what?
No, Elise.
Press play. Oh.
Huh. Yeah, if this holds, we're gonna stay up.
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe that's just a 15 retest now. Let's see. Yeah, I think that was the 15.
You can take it.
That's gonna.
Exactly. Yeah, gonna fill for sure. You took buys? Yeah, exactly. Great.
There we go. Yeah, and that was the 15 retest too.
Yeah,
Finally came.
And a 5 minute lower, higher low. Well.
Yeah, and the 14 in the zone held.
Yeah, a lot of confluence, which made us take the trade.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Perfect trade. Higher.
I wonder if that's rejection or just because of all the momentum that maybe the retest. I'm still gonna wait. Wonder what that was.
Why did you enter?
Who's making that noise?
Yeah, I don't know. So I can't even find the guy because I'm looking at it, but the 15-minute is. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it, but all mics are muted, so I don't know who is this.
They're not gonna say. I don't know unless we see their mic light up when they do it next. We're not gonna know.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the 15. Where's the 15-minute?
See what?
Can you go to the 15-minute, please? Oh, you were too early with the buy. You see?
Yeah.
There was not a clean breakout yet. No problem. Probably we're gonna go up. I think maybe gonna test that 14 EMA first. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you see 14 EMAs respected. Take buys. Take buys.
Higher low.
Yeah, nice one.
Oh man.
Dang, a lot of wicks, man. Yeah, we
That's
pushed
gonna.
up. Yeah, it's gonna go. Yeah.
That's that point. The 14 is holding. It's gotta go.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go for sure. One big push.
I'm gonna look at the hour real quick.
Yeah. A lot of rejection though.
Yeah, that's slow.
Evening star. Maybe we get stopped out. Don't know for sure. A lot of wicks.
There we go. That's good.
Nice.
Yeah, the 14 was holding and all the wicks kept getting higher and higher, even though it was going really slow.
Yeah, true. That's a good tip. If the wicks go higher and higher, the momentum is still up. Yeah, exactly. If you draw a trend line on those, the momentum is still up.
Dynamic support.
Yeah, exactly.
If you on GJ, that pattern happens all the freaking
freaking day. Exactly.
all the time.
Yeah, true.
Like it's very simple setup.
Yeah. It's just looking like it's accumulating orders, you know, and then after that there's a big push.
Yeah. We're almost at another daily resistance too, so
yeah.
Be careful of that.
Yeah, true. Good one, Chase.
Thanks.
Where's that sound coming from, man?
What sound?
There was a stupid sound right there, like somebody went to the toilet or something. I don't know.
Tell me, is it gone?
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, it's my charger. I just don't want my laptop to die.
No problem.
The next time I look for buys, it'll be up here, above this food grain. Tapping that daily now.
So, Chase, I gotta go. And, the webinar is recorded, so if you end the meeting, then the webinar will be recorded, so you guys can go on. But I have to go now.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Kevin.
No problem, and enjoy.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna message you later. Questions.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Sounds good. All right. See you. Probably get to 50% and call it. Unless you want to do a little bit, Art.
Yeah, I think it's good for the day.
Yeah. Okay.
It's gonna go up. It's retesting that
Yeah.
that little mini zone right there.
Yeah. And probably a higher low. Oh.
Wick is gonna fill. Wick is gonna fill.
Come on. What is happening right now? That should be good to go. 14 still holding. It's got to hit. Yep.
Anyways, Chase, I gotta go, bro.
Yeah, I was just about to call it. I was going to ask anyone if they had any more questions before ending it. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Well, I'm going to call it.
All right, man.
Yeah, thanks for joining. Thank you all for being here. It was a good little session today. Just looking forward to next weekend. Y'all enjoy weekends.
Everyone have a good weekend.
Yeah. All right, bye.